Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to work with spelling and grammar. We will cover spelling and grammar, thesaurus and word count. Firstly, we will see how spelling and grammar will work. Suppose by mistake you have done spelling mistake. Then Microsoft Word will help you to find that word and give you suggestions to replace that word. Now come to spelling and grammar part. I have written some sentence and made some mistakes. I just want to check whether the word are capable to find the mistake and gives me. I will ask Microsoft to check spelling and grammar. We have two methods. One is long cut and second is shortcut. For spelling and grammar, you have to click on this review tab. After clicking on review tab, if you observe in the left hand side, there is a proofing group. In this proofing group, you have to click on this option, that is spelling and grammar. You will get a floating dialog box. This is the long cut method. If you want a shortcut method, then you can simply press F7 key from your keyboard. You will get again that floating dialog box. So wherever is my cursor, it will start checking the spelling from that place only. Suppose my cursor is on this third word. I just want to write that is informative lesson. But purposely I have made many mistakes in this sentence. So I have to just check whether it is giving me suggestions or not regarding this word. I can check it. It is giving me informative, information, infirmity and so on. I want this informative and I have to click on this change option. Now you can see that wrong word is replaced by correct word, that is informative. Now if you observe, it shifted the cursor to next word, that is this word, and it is showing me the suggestion for this word only, whether I can select this option, that is lesson, or I can select any one of them. I'm just selecting this word, that is lesson, and change it. Now for this word, it is showing me that whether I want THA or that, draw and so on. I just want this word and change it. Now you can see it is showing me some suggestion, that is, six, sir and so on. I just want to select is and change. So in this way we can use spelling and grammar. Now come to next part, that is thesaurus. Suppose I have written a sentence here, the girl is beautiful. Suppose I want to replace beautiful word with other word, suitable word. So how I can change it? Just keep my cursor on that word, or in the beginning of that word you want to change or you want to replace that word, and click on this thesaurus option and you will get a dialog box. It is showing me the word which can be replaced are this word, that is beautiful word. We can use any word. It is showing the lovely, attractive, good looking, gorgeous, and you can use any word. Suppose I want to use this word, that is lovely. I have to keep my cursor here and click on this drop down option. It is displaying two options, that whether you want to insert that word or you want to just copy this word, that is lovely word. If I click on copy, it will not replace that word. It is copied that word, that is lovely. If I will paste it here, Control V, then you can see that word is copied only. but I have to replace this word. Again, I have to click on this Thesaurus option, and I just want to replace it by clicking on insert command. Now, if you observe, that word, that beautiful word is replaced by lovely word. So in this way, Thesaurus option can be used for replacement of any word. Now suppose again I'm just want to change this keyword, that is girl. Click on this option again. It is showing me some words which can replace the girl word. I can use teenager, miss, adolescent, etc. daughters. I want to change this word with miss word. So I can change it by clicking insert command. So in this way, we can replace any word and use this Thesaurus option. Last is word count. If I want to count the number of words in this document, how I can count? Just click on this option, word count. You will get a dialog box of word count. Now it will show all the options, that is pages, number of pages. We have 3. Also we can see on this status bar number of words 21, character without space 102, characters with space it's 116, paragraphs, lines, and so on. If I will just click here on this option word count 21, then again it will show the same dialog box. You might be thinking where it is used, word count option is used. Suppose I want to change this document in another language and that person is charging per word. So I can calculate word from this option only. So that's it for this video.